Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple math problem that is 7 minus 8 times 8 minus 9. So let's start with today's video solution. So many people solve it like this: 7 minus 8 as minus 1 and 8 minus 9 as minus 1 and minus 1 times minus 1 as 1. This is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. It's an incorrect answer and incorrect approach. When you have given multiple operations like subtraction, then multiplication, then subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as board mass rule. So comment down below what you called it. So in PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent if given, then multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but we need to solve it from left to right. Always remember. So we have given subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication is between 8 and 8. So 8 times 8 is 64 minus 9. Now we have only one operation left, that is subtraction. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 7 minus 64 is minus 57. Minus 9 is minus 66. So what is the correct answer? Negative 66, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.